Today, I'm going to show you how to make a crossbow out of office supplies. Start by taking two pencils and hold them together using two strong elastic bands. It should look like this. Then take another two pencils and hold these together using a strip of tape right at the back, like this. Then put one on top of the other and using another elastic band, fix them together to form a cross. Next, take a ballpoint pen and remove the lid. If there's a blockage in one end, use a pair of scissors to cut it off, so you end up with a clear tube like this. Then tuck it under the elastic bands. You should now have something which looks like this. Now take another elastic band and fix it between the arms. If you want, you can start using it like this. But I'm going to add a binder clip to use as a trigger, and we're going to hold this in place using strips of tape. For an arrow, we're going to unscrew the back of our ballpoint pen and take out the refill. Stretch the band back, load the arrow through the front, and we're ready to fire. If you find the elastic band starts riding over the top of the arrow, try fixing some tape here so the arrow sits slightly higher. Or you could try firing a slightly larger arrow. After I made some adjustments, I found mine fired pretty consistently. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more,